Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Skullcandy Dime with Android smartphone. And to do this, let's enter Bluetooth on our smartphone first. So go for notification bar or settings, locate the Bluetooth and make sure that it's on. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and here is the time to open a case and remove both of the earbuds. Now let's look if I already connected them. I don't think so. And they should enter pairing mode instantly. If not, you might need to perform such an action like double press, take one earbud, double press on this button right here and then hold it for 4 seconds. So like that. Now they should enter pairing mode and we can click on Dime Black to pair them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.